All right. Yeah, I hope my voice is audible and my video is visible. So we are we are back. We are back to the live again. All right. Yeah, the grind is going to look bad, but still, actually, it is doing when you are not motivated is a good thing, right? Yeah. So that is the difference. Even if you are not motivated, you are supposed to do it. That is how things work. If you want them to work out. Right. So we were doing this one. We were doing this one actually. So some questions regarding the expected length. Yeah, I don't know the answer for that one because I don't know the formula related to expected length or anything. No, it's not expected length. Alright. So 0.4 was the place where it is splitting. Alright. If we consider something like this, 0.4, before that is one part and after that is another part. So what we were asked, the expected length of the subinterval that contains 0.4 is the expected length. Alright. So I think we were asking the length if I'm not wrong. So 0 to 1 L of x dx. So this part plus that part 0.4 1 minus x dx 0.4 to 1 x dx. Why is it like that? So x less than 0.4, 0.4 less than x comma 1. Okay, total length is 1. Total length, alright. What is expected length in this context mean? The average length of the subinterval containing 0.4 when dividing point. Since x is uniformly distributed. Okay. If x is smaller than 0.4, it lies in x comma 1. Yeah. So if we cut here x comma 1, it will lie in this place. If we cut here, it will lie in 0 comma x. Got it. Got it. Got it. This is the point that we need. So let's say if we cut here, it will stay in the length. So how do you get this length? This is x cut. 0 comma x. And if this is the cut, it will lie in this. That is 1 minus x is going to be the length. Okay, that makes sense. The weighted average of all of these possibilities computed using integration. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's do this. 1 minus x dx. That is x minus x squared by 2. 0 to 0.4 plus x square by 2, 0.421. Alright. So upper limit minus lower limit, just substitute it. 0.4 minus 0.16. Yeah, by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus again 0.16 by 2. How much is this? 0.08, 0.4 minus 0.08 plus 0.5 minus 0.08. That is 0.9 minus 0.16. 90 minus 16, how much is it? 80, 74. 0.74. Is that the answer? Yes, it is the answer. Okay. So that is the last question from 40 to 55. We made 15 questions today. That's it. Did not make anything more. Yes, that's all right as well. That's all right as well. I will start from question 1 to 40 or something. So you are given A and you need to find A power 8. So can you find the eigenvalues for this one? 1 minus lambda. I have already seen this question, so I know that works out. Okay, AD minus BC. 1 minus lambda into minus 1 minus lambda minus 4 is equals to 0. So minus 1 minus lambda plus lambda square minus 4 is equals to 0. So that's lambda square minus 5 is equals to 0. Lambda square is equals to 5. So lambda is equals to plus or minus root 5. Those are the eigenvalues. Eigenvalue a power k is eigenvalues are lambda power k. So plus or minus root 5 whole to the power of 8. What is going to be that? Plus root 5 whole to the power of 8, because it is an even power. 5 power 4. How much is that? 625 is an eigenvalue. 625 0 0 625. That is a diagonal matrix. So what? Okay. Okay. This is the characteristic equation. That checks out if you just know the property of eigenvalue. That should be done easily. X greater than 1, satisfying that. Okay. By parts. I missed it. T square by 2 ln3 minus integration of uv. What is the formula? Okay, after doing by parts you will get this. And what next? Okay. ln1 is equals to 0. Okay. This is a problem of calculus. And it is for 1 mark. At least there is no hashtag easy with this one. Let's let it out. That one is yeah, it is something that needed to be done sometime or the other. Explain the bypass formula and help me solving that question. Thanks. It is only 10 minutes. Bypass. So UV UVX UV1 U dash V1. Okay. UDV UV okay minus VD. Mm. So this is the original formula U V minus integral of U dash V dx dx. So if you do something like U dV UV minus integral of U dash V. Got it. It is nothing but bipart substitution. So similarly, we will ask TL and TDT. Alright. Calculus. Need basics. I don't want to mess my brain with this right now. Okay. Since even for the semester exams, we need that one. Yeah, I'm skipping that out. Guess it's set to question 2. Set to question 2. Yeah, we have read this as well. What did we do? So, a binary tree, every node has either 0 or 2 children. Something like this, so that is basically a complete binary tree, right? Let n be the nodes, n nodes, number of which one of the following is the number of nodes that exactly have 2 children. So, 2 children nodes, we need a derivation from this. Alright. If there are 3 nodes, then the 2 children node will be 1. If there are 7 nodes, then it will be 3. If there are 15 total nodes, then there will be 7. So n minus 2 by 2, 3 minus 2 by 2. If you do something like this too, let's say, if you do something like this, n nodes, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If there are 11 such nodes, then there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is what you need. 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 2, not happening. 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, that is 1. 7, 6 by 2, that is 3. 14 by 2, that is 7. So you can answer it if you just understand the question. That makes sense. Question number 4. Non-singular matrices of order 3. So L square is equals to L inverse. M is equals to L power 8, N is equals to L power 2. M minus N value we need. What do I need? So m is basically L power 8, n is basically L power 2, is L power 8 minus L power 2 value. L power 8 is L square, L square, L square, L square minus L power 2. L square is L inverse. What are we doing? Okay, we don't know properties. Right. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Wow. So L square is equal to L inverse, L cube is equal to I. L power 4 is equal to L power 5. L square L power 6 is equal to I. While L power 8 is equal to L squared. 0. Wow. Wow. Okay, there is a lot to be done. So, this calculus question. Yeah, we have done this. If in the domain of natural numbers, If some predicate is true for 0 and for every x, if it is true for x plus 1, it will be true for every natural number. So A is the correct answer for this. And what is the sixth one? Address resolution protocol provides a mapping from an IP address to the corresponding hardware. I don't know that. A single TCP segment from sender to receiver cannot carry both data from stored and acknowledged segment from R to S. Okay, I have studied about this acknowledgement. Actually, there is one protocol. Think it can. I don't know. C, I think C is the answer. Okay, we were quite opposite with that. Address resolution protocol provides a mapping from IP address. ARP IP address to the MAC address. Okay, when a host needs a MAC address from an IP, it sends a broadcast ARP request. Got it. A TCP segment from piggy bank. I have seen that. It said cannot carry, dude. I thought it is saying can carry and said true, but we will still be wrong because we don't know about this one. Theory question. One more question. Right, guess I need to sleep. Yeah, I will sleep. We will look about it tomorrow. Alright, bye.